sense. So we are standing at the site of the future factory in Europe. Okay, as you can see, we have a big piece of land here, about 2.4 hectares until the boundary here. So there are a few things that we are going to do. First, we are going to establish a mycelium factory to produce the Ganoderma, this is a lion man, this is a cordyceps here. Then we are going to have this fermented coffee factory to ferment the coffee here. Then of course we have a cosmetic factory, and also in the futures we can even produce this Ganoderma wine and all these things. Yeah, these are the future plan for the office here. Okay, for the whole, not only for the Europe but also for the nearby market like Turkey, like this Middle East, Africa. So this is a very good place. Yeah. So I think and hopefully by the end of the year, okay, we will be completing the first factory here. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.